true, yeah. Fake ass, fake boobs, yeah. Made a million ass suits, yeah. Yeah, I be running with fake news, yeah. Cardi and poppin', no, that's the machine. Nobody listen, they buying them streams. They even posted on blogs overseas. And lying a language I can't even read. The f do this mean? Look, I'm a Bronx bitch with some pop hits. Used to pop off when they pop shit. But I'm calmed down and I'm locked in. And my records live in the top 10. Let's go. Teach me about big girl coochie. Last time I got freaky, the FCC sued me. But I'ma keep doing what I wanna do. Cause all the rumors are true.
Spending all your time trying to break a woman down. Real shit is